Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to unlock the flashlight mode in Granny Recaptured. To unlock the flashlight mode, you must escape from the sewer without using the flashlight a single time. If you turn it on at any moment, the unlock will fail, and you will need to retry. Start a new game. Any difficulty works, but easy mode is better because it gives you more time to move and learn the area. Play normally until you reach the sewer section. The sewer is very dark, but do not worry. Before entering the sewer, make sure the flashlight is not turned on. Inside the sewer, move slowly and carefully. You can still see small details like walls, ladders, and paths. Find the path that leads out of the sewer. Complete the entire sewer escape without using the flashlight. Once you successfully escape the sewer, the game will register this and unlock flashlight mode. Thanks for watching.